If you're seeing Premiere Pro error code 1, the good news is that in many cases it's caused by a corrupted Creative Cloud desktop installation or broken Adobe files, and that means it can usually be fixed without reinstalling your entire system. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the safest and most effective steps to fix it, so you can get Premiere Pro working again and get back to editing as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and Premiere Pro troubleshooting guides. Let's get into it. First, understand what error code 1 usually means. This error often points to an issue with the Creative Cloud desktop app or corrupted installation files that are interfering with Adobe apps. So the main goal here is to repair or clean up the Adobe installation, then refresh everything so Premiere Pro can launch normally again. The first step is to reinstall or repair the Creative Cloud app. To do that properly, start by downloading the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This tool is designed to remove damaged installation files that can cause repeated errors in Adobe software. Once you've downloaded it, run the tool carefully and follow the on-screen prompts. Make sure you only remove the corrupted Creative Cloud components because the Cleaner tool is very powerful and you want to use it exactly as intended. After the cleanup process is complete, reinstall the Creative Cloud desktop app from Adobe's official website. This fresh installation often fixes the issue because it replaces broken files with clean, working ones. If you're on Windows, there's an additional repair option you should try. Open the Control Panel, then go to Uninstall a Program. Find Adobe Creative Cloud in the list of installed programs and select Uninstall or Change. In the menu that appears, choose Repair if that option is available. This can fix damaged program components without requiring a full removal and reinstall. It's a simple step, but it can be very effective when the Creative Cloud app itself is the source of the error. Next, restart your computer. This may sound basic, but restarting clears temporary file conflicts, resets background processes, and gives Adobe apps a clean start. A lot of Adobe-related errors can persist because some process is stuck in the background, so a full restart is worth doing before testing anything else. After your computer starts back up, open Creative Cloud again and check whether Premiere Pro launches properly. Once you've restarted, make sure everything is up to date. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app and look for available updates. Updating Creative Cloud is important because Adobe frequently releases bug fixes, stability improvements, and compatibility updates that can resolve launch errors like error code 1. If Premiere Pro itself has an update available, install that too. The combination of a clean installation, a repaired desktop app, and the latest updates solves this issue for many users. If Premiere Pro still isn't opening, go back and double-check that the Creative Cloud cleanup actually completed successfully and that no corrupted files were left behind. In some cases, running the Cleaner tool again and then reinstalling Creative Cloud one more time can make the difference, especially if the first install was interrupted or incomplete. The key idea here is that error code 1 is usually not a project problem. It's most often an installation problem. So instead of wasting time changing random settings inside Premiere Pro, focus on repairing the Adobe environment first. That gives you the best chance of fixing the issue quickly and safely. And that's it. You've now gone through the main steps to fix Premiere Pro error code 1 by cleaning up the Creative Cloud installation, repairing it on Windows, restarting your computer, and checking for updates. If this helped you solve the problem, please give the video a like, subscribe for more Adobe tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Premiere Pro error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.